I will eat just one chocolate. No one will know.
Lina, what are you doing here?
Oh no, I caught! Mom, Dad, today I made a decision for myself.
Oh, really? What kind of decision did you make?
From today, I will not eat chocolates anymore. I want to eat only healthy food.
That sounds like a very strong decision, Lina. Are you sure about it, Lina?
Yes, Dad. I am completely serious about this. I want to stay healthy and strong.
Wow, this is surprising. You love chocolate so much, Lina.
Yes, Lina. Yesterday only you finished a big chocolate bar alone. I know, but that was before. Now I want to change my habit.
This is a very good thought, Lina. I am proud of you.
Let us see how long this promise will last.
Yes, I think by tonight she will ask for chocolate again. No, I will not break my promise. This time I am very serious.
Good, Lina. A promise is important, and you must try your best to keep it.
From today, we will also support you. We will give you healthy food.
Thank you, Mom. That will help me a lot.
Okay, Lina. I will also watch you carefully. Yes, we will check if you are really strong or not.
You can check anytime. I will not eat chocolates again.
Lina, look what I have. This is a fresh chocolate bar.
Yes, I can see that. You are trying to tempt me, right?
No, I am just enjoying my snack. Do you want a small piece?
No, thank you. I already told you my decision.
Just one bite will not break your promise. It is very soft and sweet.
That is how it starts. First one bite, then another bite.
Lina, this chocolate is your favorite flavor. You should at least smell it.
I don't even want to smell it. That will make it harder for me.
Wow, Lina is very serious today. I have never seen this before.
Yes, today she is acting like a very disciplined person.
I am not acting. I am really trying to change myself.
Okay, then sit here and watch me eat this slowly.
This is so tasty. It melts in my mouth.
Please don't describe it. It is making me feel weak.
Lina, you look a little uncomfortable now. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. I am just controlling my mind.
Control is good, but chocolate is better.
Very funny, Leo. Keep joking. I will not eat it.
Let us see how long you can stay strong like this.
I will stay strong the whole day. You can watch me.
Lina, here are some fresh fruits for you. I cut them just now.
Thank you, Mom. These look very fresh and colorful.
Oh, you are really eating fruits today. This is a big change.
Yes, usually you choose chocolate first, not fruits.
I told you, I am changing my habit from today.
That is very good, Lina. Healthy food will make you strong.
But fruits are not as tasty as chocolate. Be honest.
They are different, but they are good for my body.
Lina, are you still thinking about chocolate in your mind?
Yes, a little bit. But I am trying to ignore that thought.
That is normal. Changing a habit takes time and patience.
Yes, Mom. I will try step by step.
Lina, I am actually impressed. You are controlling yourself well.
Thank you, Alex. That makes me feel more confident.
Good. Now everyone sit and eat something healthy together.
Yes, I am enjoying this. It feels good to try something new.
Hello everyone, I am back home. I brought something special today.
Uncle, what did you bring? It looks very interesting.
I saw a chocolate shop on the way, so I bought chocolates for all of you.
Wow, that is amazing! I really love chocolates!
Lina, this one is your favorite. I brought it specially for you.
Dad, I need to tell you something first.
What happened, Lina? Why are you not taking it?
Today I made a promise. I decided not to eat chocolates anymore.
Oh, I did not know that. I am sorry, Lina.
Yes, she told us in the morning. She wants to eat only healthy food now.
Uncle, this is her favorite chocolate. She always enjoys this one.
Yes, today is a real test for her.
Lina, you don't have to eat it. Your promise is more important.
Thank you, Dad. I want to stay strong and follow my decision.
Lina, are you really going to say no to this chocolate?
Yes. Even if I like it, I will not eat it today.
I am proud of you, Lina. This is not easy at all.
Yes, she is doing very well.
Lina, just stay focused. You are doing great.
Yes, I will not break my promise. Okay, everyone, it is getting late. Time to go to bed now.
Yes, we all need proper rest. Tomorrow is a new day.
Uncle, thank you for the chocolates. They were very tasty.
You are welcome, Leo. I am glad you like them.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, Lina. Sleep well.
I am not feeling sleepy at all. My mind is still active. Why am I thinking about chocolate again and again? I should not think like this.
No, Lina. You made a promise today. You must control yourself.
But the chocolate looks so soft and delicious. Maybe I can just go and see it. I will not eat it. I will just look at it. No, if I go there, I may eat it. That is not a good idea.
Okay. I will go quietly to the kitchen. I will just check the fridge. I will not eat anything. I am just going to see.
Everyone is sleeping. I need to be very quiet now. The chocolates are inside this fridge? They look so good, just one piece will not matter.
No, I should not do this. Maybe just one small bite, no one will know.
Alex, are you awake? I think something is happening outside.
What happened? Why are you whispering like this?
I saw a shadow moving near the kitchen. I think someone is there.
At this time, everyone is supposed to be sleeping.
That is why I feel something is strange. Let us check quietly.
Okay, but we should not make any noise.
Look there, someone is standing near the fridge.
Yes, I can see that clearly. That looks like Lina.
I think she is opening the fridge slowly.
Yes, and she is trying to be very quiet.
Now I am sure she is going to eat chocolate.
Looks like her promise is in danger now.
Should we go and stop her now?
No, wait. Let us watch what she does first.
This is becoming very funny now.
Yes, let us see how long she can control herself.
Just one small bite, it will not be a big problem. This tastes so good, I really missed this.
I will eat just one and then I will stop. That is enough.
Lina, what are you doing here at this time?
Leo, you scared me. I was just checking something.
Checking what? The chocolate taste?
No, I was just looking inside the fridge.
Really? Then why is there chocolate in your hand?
Okay, I was about to eat it. Just one piece.
About to eat or already eating?
Yes, I think you already started enjoying it.
Okay, I already took a small bite. I could not control myself.
So your promise is broken now.
Yes, I think I broke my promise.
I knew it! I knew you would come here at night.
Yes, this was a very funny secret plan.
I tried a lot, but it was very difficult for me.
It is okay. At least you tried your best.
Yes, trying is more important than being perfect.
Next time, I will try again and do better.
Yes, next time we will watch you again. And maybe we will catch you again.